Is so high, man. Mountain rising, Zion land, holy work of Jah, and it touched the sky, it touched the flame. Zion mountain called Jah name, no Babylon can shake the ground. Zion mountain all around, forever standing pure and true. Zion mountain carry you. Zion mountain tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name. It crown the valley, crown the sea. Zion mountain destiny, forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain shining strong, it guard the children, guard the meek. Zion mountain all hearts seek, forever rising pure and wide. Zion mountain holy tide, we climb it in the morning sun. Zion mountain never done, it blaze eternal, never fall. Zion mountain fee all, forever glowing pure and true. Zion mountain carry you, it rise the people, rise the land. Zion mountain by Jah, and it stand eternal, strong and wide. Zion mountain holy guide, no Babylon can shake the stone. Zion mountain stand alone, forever holy, bright and free. Zion mountain destiny, it lift the spirit, lift the song. Zion mountain just strong. Zion mountain still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion mountain bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion mountain show Jah way, eternal rising tall and long. Zion mountain Jah song, stand high, stand free. Zion mountain majesty, no chain, no wall can pull it down. Zion mountain wear the crown. Zion mountain tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain praise his name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion mountain still carry on. Zion, Raga Yaman. Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jah guide me every stride. It shine with truth, it shine with flame. Zion road exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion road here to stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion road carry you. Zion road clear and bright, guide the soul people guide the land. Zion Road by Jahan, forever shining, pure and true. Zion Road carry you, no Babylon can hide the flame. Zion Road, call his name, it stretch eternal, far and near. Zion Road, forever clear, forever glowing, never cease. Zion Road, bring Jah peace, it guide the children, guide the youth. Zion Road, Jah truth, eternal highway, strong and free. Zion Road, destiny, when the trumpet sound again. Zion Road still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion Road, bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road, show Jah way, eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road, just song. Step high, step true. Zion Road for me and you. No chain, no wall can turn we back. Zion Road, keep we track. Zion Road, clear and bright, guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion Road, still carry on. Na na na, deep meditate your man. Crown of Zion, bright and pure, holy blessing that endure. It shine with fire, shine with flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, forever stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion crown, belong to you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel, a holy flame. Zion crown, call Jah name, it bless the children, bless the meek. Zion crown, all hearts seek, forever holy, never gone. Zion crown, shining strong, it guide the nation, guide the man. Zion crown, Jah plan, forever glowing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine eternal, never fall. Zion crown for all, forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you, no Babylon can dim the flame. Zion crown, call Jah name, it rise eternal, shine so high. Zion crown, fill the sky, forever glowing, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace, it crown the mountain, crown the sea. Zion crown, eternity, eternal shining, strong and free. Zion crown, destiny, when the trumpet sound again. Zion crown, still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion crown, bless us all, from dawn of time till of silver, not of gold, but of love from days of old. Upon it sit the King of Peace. Justice flow and war must cease. Every heart bow down and pray. Throne of Zion guide the way. Throne of Zion bright and high. Lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. It rests upon the mountainside. Strong foundation, deep and wide. Prophets stand and angels sing. Crown of glory Jah will bring. No liar, thief, or wicked plan can touch the throne of righteous man. Forever firm, forever true. Throne of Zion shine for you. It judge with love, it judge with care. No injustice enter there. It raise the meek, it lift the low. Throne of Zion always show. Every law is carved in light. Every truth is burning bright. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Me dream at night, me vision clear. Throne of Zion always near. It called the tribe to walk upright, to keep Jah law both day and night. It bless the elder, bless the youth, guide them forward into truth. Every step the people take, Throne of Zion pathway make. When the trumpet sound on high, Throne of Zion fill the sky. Every knee shall bow in love. Throne of Jah from heaven above. From first to last, from now to end. Throne of Zion ever friend. Glory shine, no shadow fall. Throne of Jah is overall. Stand tall, don't fall. Throne of Zion rule them all. No king of earth, no crown of clay. Jah alone have throne to stay. Throne of Zion bright and high. Lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone. Throne eternal, holy throne. From earth to heaven, root to crown. Throne of Zion never down. Ay, 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 ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Freedom rising, Zion land. Gift of Jah, his mighty hand. It break the chain, it loose the tie. Zion freedom never die. No Babylon can hold me down. Zion freedom, wear the crown. Forever rising, pure and true. Zion freedom, carry you. Zion freedom, strong and long. Every heart beat Jah song. Every breath a holy flame. Zion freedom, praise his name. chain, it break the wall. Zion freedom, feel forever glowing, pure and bright. Zion freedom, Jah light, it rise eternal, never cease. Zion freedom, bring Jah peace. It call the children, call the man. Zion freedom, Jah plan, forever flowing, pure and wide. Zion freedom, holy tide, no Babylon can take away. Zion freedom, here to stay. It shine eternal, strong and free. Zion freedom, destiny. Trumpet sound again. Zion freedom still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion freedom bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion freedom show Jah way, eternal rising, pure and strong. Zion freedom, Jah song. Rise high, rise free. Zion freedom, eternity. No chain, no wall can keep we down. Zion freedom, wear the crown.
Chant, forever play, song of Jah both night and day. It echoed through the mountainside, song of Zion never hide. It chant the truth, it chant the flame, every note called Jah true name. It bind the people hand in hand, song of love across the land. No chain can stop, no wall divide, song of Zion always guide. Me hear it when the night is still, song of Zion bless me will. It sing of hope, it sing of peace, it make the troubled heart release. It teach the youth, it bless the old. Song of Zion, never cold. Every verse, a prayer so deep. Song of Jah, our soul will keep. When the morning light arise, Song of Zion, fill the skies. It never end, it never fade. Song eternal Jah has made. From root of man to crown above. Song of Zion, sing of love. Forever true, forever strong. Song of Zion, carry on. Sing high, sing free. Song of Zion, unity. No hate, no war can stop this sound. Song of Jah, all around. Song of Zion, pure and strong. Sing it loud, sing it long. Every nation, every tongue, join the song that must be sung. From first note to endless time. Song of Zion, ever shine.
Jamaica, Jamaica Kingston, cushion of the paper. Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend fi breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me no in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace. Exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors. Them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chanting at the early dawn. Meditate till Babylon gone. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me not break, me not bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time
rasta. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves a fall, me still hear just silent call. Me spirit dance like burning flame. Me know who I am, me know me name. Rasta live, Rasta lead. Me heart clean, me soul a feed. Me path simple, me steps true and jagadi in all me do. Jah guide me.
Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way. But me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say vice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots, me say rise. Like this city, like these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance inna the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block goal. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march pon the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love inna the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots, me say rise. Like this city, like the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea. The rebel song set we free. Me say no chain palm me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound. Aye, aye, aye. Ganja with Zion music, yeah man. Before the sun peak over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the eld upon the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Nyabinghi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Me reach the clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning rain. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle pon the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion, pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Shine but soul feel drain. Concrete jungle drown you dreams, but roots grow still beneath them schemes. Them pave the road with promises fake. Them drown we deep in Babylon lake, but me heart hold ancient vision. Beat steady in Jah's provision. See the preacher, see the banker smile. Them sell lie in corporate style. Me na born fi obey no man. Me born fi
fi chant till chains be gone. Roots over steel, me say again. Roots find crack, reach fi rain. Though towers rise high and proud, roots are whisper strong and loud. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Them dig and dig fi tech and fame, but never find Jah's hidden flame. Me walk barefoot pon earth soil. Me spirit free, no machine spoil. Call we backward, them scan we way, but roots stronger than systems play. Roots in we vice, roots in we hand. Roots in we dreams, roots in the land. No textbook teach the rhythm we know. Roots whisper when Babylon slow. Them can't plug out Jah vibration. Roots stronger than plantation. Them can't bury truth under stone. Roots find way, even alone. Crack the wall, tear the plan. Roots arise and beat Babylon. Roots over steel, soul over gold. Fire in a we from days of old. We chant, we rise, we heal, we feel. Always roots, always real. Roots over steel, Jah over crown. Tear the illusion down. We not bow, we not kneel. Roots stand firm over steel. Roots over steel. Zion echoes real. Roots blaze, roots fly. Jah guide me.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Oh,
Me climb the hill before the day. Me still dance and clouds still play. The drum of earth beat na me chest. Me feel Jah calling from the crest. Each step higher, me sight more wide. Babylon fade when Jah reside. Me reach the peak, me lift me hand. Give thanks for life and Jah creation grand. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Me see the river sneak below, flowing truth where all man know. The trees them sway in a sacred time. Every branch speaking holy rhyme. Me nah need gold, me nah need crown. Just the hills where pull me down. Me breathe the air so clean, so free. Zion giving me family. Me trod with brethren by me side. Each a warrior humbling pride. We carry drum and carry flame. We chant and praise Jah holy name. We set up camp where breeze blows strong. We reason deep till the night is long. Me feel Jah power in every tone. Each sharp the drum for him alone. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Step by step me trod for I. No turning back, no asking why. The chalice burn, the heart are pure. Each breath me take me over cure. Me hold the faith, me hold the ground. Each chant take our mountain sound. No man can buy the view me see. It's Jah creation set me free. I wind blowing on me dread. Pure
meditation fill me head. From dawn till dark me nah retreat. Me keep me trot to just see. Morning come and sunlight break. Bird a sing and earth awake. Me pick some herb from mountainside. Herbal blessing Jah provide. Me sip me tea and give thanks more. Fi help, fi love, fi open door. And when me step back down again, me carry mountain in a me brain. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar in a the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant till the morning dew. Zion path, me always true. Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh,
Zion echoes, calling all in a the bubats. Yeah man. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Roll the manly strain, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb, a power, the wicked can't fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melody soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred. The ganja fire make the open furred. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up the sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah in a me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can't end. Jah Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, the vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny.
Aye, 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 Zion. Play the music, yeah, man. Me sit and reason with the breeze. Herb in a chalice, spark the flame. Me call upon Jah holy name. The birds them fly in a sacred dance. Me eyes closed, me spirit in trance. Me no need no riches nor gold, just truth me heart forever hold. Me take me steps on sacred ground. Every footstep make a conscious sound. Me soul wash clean by river water. Me chant down lies feed the sons and daughters. From the hills of Zion, sea so blue. Me live one life, and that life true. Me temple now built from Babylon stone. Me mind and heart, that's Jah throne. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worries sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walking Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Me grow me food, me till the land. Me praise the Most High with every hand. No poison in a me plate, only ital vibes me cultivate. Me woman strong, me children wise. We teach them truth, not dealing lies. The system can't trap me mind. Me meditate and realign. Me light me spliff for meditation. Me chant for deep liberation. From Babylon chains me break free. Now me soul float like leaf pan tree. The rhythm guide me like compass star. Me heart beat deep like Naya drum afar. Jah love deeper than ocean tide. In a him presence me abide. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Me no preach, me live example. Like the prophets from the temple. Me carry love like staff in a hand. Fi uplift people in every land. Me not follow no wicked trend. Me build, me reason, me defend. Every day a chance fi grow. Me listen to Jah and let love flow. So when me journey reach the end, me know me walk with truth as friend. Me spirit rise like morning sun, cause Rasta mission never done. Me voice will echo through wind and tree, still chanting songs we set souls free. On this path of sacred flame, me live and die in Jah name.
Na na na, Zion reggae, and meditate, yeah man. Evening light, paint the sky in gold. Me sit on the hill, watch the story unfold. In a me hand, heart in a trance. Nyabinghi rhythm, the soul start dance. Ganja cloud curl like
me thoughts. But Rasta free in every step me walk. Them build walls, me build bridges. Them love war, me chant peace for the children. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. A future of love, me see it near. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to Jah sky. Drumbeat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. Me chant psalms while me eyes are closed. Nature whisper all the things me know. Me no need no screen fi see light. The fire inside keep me vibes bright. Me cook ital, live ital, think ital too. Me life a him, me words them true. Every puff a meditation, every beat a soul salvation. Fire blaze but me heart stay cool. Jah teach me love, me learn the rule. Rasta no bend, Rasta no break. Me rise up early for conscience sake. Me no need no church fi reach him gate. Me pray in silence, me no tempt fate. All me need is the earth and sky, and a drum beat strong when me spirit cry. Evening smoke rise high, lift me soul to Jah sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion ground, where roots run deep and truth is found. Youth them lost in a denies and tech. Them forget say life a deeper step. But when me drop rhythm and light that flame, me remind them of Jah holy name. Rasta nah preach for likes and fame. Me chant for the ones who feel the pain. Me bring them herbs, me bring them hope. Me show them all Rasta cool. So me drift in the night, so cool, so clear. The stars them whisper, no need for fear. Me close me eye, me still can see the path of love just set for me. Me chant me psalm in peaceful tone, with ganja breath in a flesh and bone. Me not chase crown, me not chase gold. Me chase the spirit that never old. Evening fade, but the light remain. Inna the smoke, me heal the pain. Every beat, every herb, every word me sing. I praise to Jah, to everything. So when the youth them light them fire, me hope me song lift them higher. Me story echo in every drum, till all the children know where them from. Zion reggae, yeah man. Flow so gentle, pure and sweet. River cool the burning heat. From the mountain down it run. Bless the people, everyone. It healed the soul, it quenched the thirst. River flow from Jah at first. Every drop a song of peace. River flow and love increase. River of Zion flowing free. Carry love to you and me. From the root to ocean wide. River keep the people guide. It wash away the stain of wrong. It carry chant, it carry song. It bring the seed for growing ground. River blessed with holy sound. No drought of hate, no flood of war. River heal forevermore. Flow eternal, flow divine. River flow with Jah design. It move the elder, move the child. Keep the spirit meek and mild. It run through city, run through land. River built by Jah hear the sound. Nyabinghi drum on sacred ground. It call the people far and near, together with no hate, no fear. The heartbeat rhythm, deep and slow. Teach me things me need to know. Every top a message clear. Freedom time, drawing near. Drumbeat for freedom, echo loud. Lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command. Jah deliver the promised land. Me see the youth, them marching line. Eyes them bright, spirit divine. Me see the mothers chant along. Every voice become one song. The elders stand with staff in hand. God the truth in the land. Drumbeat call in a me bone. Tell me Zion is me home. We chant for justice, chant for peace. Chant until the chains release. We burn the lies, we plant the seed. We heal the heart from Babylon greed. The smoke rise up, the air gets sweet. Freedom fire, warm with feet. We know Jah time will come soon. Under the sun and silver moon. Me trot through town with drum and back. No fear, me nah lose track. Me knock the skin, the people sweat. All them troubles fade away. Me hear a child asking pa, who give we drum, who give we laugh. Him smile and say, from long ago, drumbeat guide, we way fi grow. Knock the drum, let Babylon shake. Tell the truth, them can't fake. Each beat a sword, each tone a shield, each word a seed in Jah field. Freedom come when we unite. Stand up strong, chant the right. From the hills to sea to town. Drumbeat here, oppression down. Nightfall come, firelight blaze. People dance in righteous ways. No weapon here, just urban song. Healing vibes all night long. Drums still knock like heart inside. Show the path, Jah be we guide. No man can silence this sound. Freedom drum forever pound. Before the dawn me rest me hand, but drum still echo across the land. It carry story, carry name, carry love through joy and pain. So when you hear that thunder roll, know it speak to every soul. Drumbeat for freedom never cease. It chant for love, it chant for peace. Drumbeat for freedom, echo loud. Lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command. Jah deliver the promised land. Drumbeat for freedom, true and strong. Lead we home where we belong.